nothing was in place. So Ajit took the initiative. Ajit drew entire thing, and basically, like one thing what I noticed in Ajit is, whatever you give, he will not say I don't know. He will just take the basic idea first, and he will go in depth in that. Whether it may be in VMware, or whether it may be in Exchange, or whether it may be in any technology. From this, we need to make sure that it's nothing about the technology, it's about your interest. If you have interest, definitely you can grow. And I will thank
Karthik, he's an enemy. He's my enemy.
As all our team members said, yeah, he's technically great. He troubleshoots issues, finds the root cause, fixes all the issue. He took the ownership of entire VMware Tower. All transitions we did right from first time. And even when I was also working with him, I was able to get certified in VMware. So I am thankful to him for that. I have asked my questions, my queries to him. So
many 1,000 times you asked, 1,005 answers.
1,005 times you have answered. I know questions are.
Karthik?
yeah, wish you all the best.
Chill Madi Karthik.
Sriram.
All the best for your career.
That's all set.
And I want to say, like, people who are really interested in virtualization, they can go through his runbook. Whatever the runbook he has made, like basic level, you not know anything in VM also you can learn from his runbooks, and it will be like really helpful for all the like youngsters. Whatever we asking him, you will like you will not tell. You will ask us to Google. You will ask us to work. We like really will know the concepts better. And like I really wish you all the best.
Okay guys, our
Saraswati is there.
Come here.
First thing I'll say about Ajit sir is one incident. Actually, me and Damanshu, we both were given a task for post installation. We didn't know what to do. He said, "See, these are the steps to be done. Do Google and do it." So it was like the first experience. We didn't know what to do. So before that, whatever task we was doing, first we'll go and ask someone how to do this, sir, how to do that, sir. So they'll explain. So it was the first time wherein we got to learn how to do things. So it was a complete different concept. So when others were explaining, we'll go and ask, and next time we go and ask again. So but this time when we learned for ourselves, it was a great experience. So from that day onwards, we got to know that any doubt, let it be, we'll do it of ourselves. So that's a lesson that we learned from Ajit sir, and I wish him all the best.
Yeah, thanks. Come on, sir. Getting up is
He has not helped me. He is not following the process. Sir, not audible, sir.
We have heavy lines newly started that time.
many times.
Unix servers, Solaris as well as Linux servers. When we build new servers, you will ask for help for the executing the script and all. So I also helping to the scripts and done for the job last 2 years.
Yeah, thanks, sir. Thanks. So, come. Raghu.
So more than a team member, Ajit is a good friend of mine. So basically, I learned a lot of VMware stuff from Ajit. So I'd like to actually thank you.
You have done with lots of work.
Then show the next.
That's all. Tell about storage.
So, network team, Santosh.
No other option.
No other option.
Ajit, hello.
He's a good friend of networking.
Fighting in the sense.
Yeah, that's okay.
So I wish him all
Nothing
the
serious
best.
about it. Just want to do some testing. That's all.
Thanks, Santosh. Thanks. Especially, I would like to say some words regarding the Santosh as well. Because whatever it is, okay, like some port is saying I opened everything from the NE to NE, but still it is not working. You check the service. Even from our end, nothing is there. This was just Windows. We have to restart, and after that only it will work. Okay. So he will say, I have opened everything you see here. Okay, a lot of time, many times we have crossed. So finally, somewhere afterwards, problem is resolved because it's a Windows we administered on the server. Okay, so this is one scenario, but he's also helped me a lot in night during, okay, like. Night during.
Wrong. Santosh, go. Go, your izzat will go. I know activity only. It was an activity.
I have not completed my work. Okay, so during night actually in the last time I see there are lot of things.
sorry,
that happen, okay.
I'm sorry, I'm in a bad
Some
mood.
firewall not open.
Ah.
During that time, these are kind of-
Said too meaning words. Too much censor will block it.
Okay, so thanks for your help, Santosh. Who else?
Nataraj.
Thank you.
And we used to have a big fight in the beginning, like whenever I went to install the database, we used to have data which is like we need to have especially this stress.
So it will happen. There is a scenario. Okay, so thanks for your support and help, Nataraj. Okay, thanks. अरे यार बोलो यार रमेश is there from अरे रमेश we share some come back
Mumbai stories.
First of all, we had so many fights in the beginning, but
Many.
technically and personally,
mostly also
and after the fight,
अरे यार
then we all went to Mumbai. We had a great time. Ajit sir knew the nook and corner everywhere in Mumbai. All the grey areas.
everything
But jokes apart, he was a great guy to be with, to work with, and we have shared so many technically, and also
during the BDR wasn't big challenge
like one month we had so many technical issues at Mumbai, even at the data center. So we worked together, and it was a great experience to share the whole month with him, and wish you all the best.
yeah thanks Ramesh guys that's all
Krishna. हाँ ठीक है आज पता है
Ajit sir is the funniest person I know on the world, and some of the very hilarious things he has done when we people went on a trip to Himeshwari. I saw him doing some experimental things to other guys on the bus. But anyway, he has always been very helpful, and you go to him and he'll never say, like other teams I go to them and they're like, why do you have to send the report every day? But he'll always say, oh, you haven't got it. Though he knows that we have not got it, but still, he manages from somewhere and sends. And apart from that, Ajit sir is a very good cook. And yeah, and that's one of the very good factors of Ajit sir. He feeds everyone around. All the best to you.
yeah thanks okay guys stand up and
Sing. अरे मजाक कर रहे थे बैठे हुए
जय हो जय हो
अरे एक ही बार काटते हैं इसका तो आपने कत्ल कर दिया केक का कत्ल कर दिया आपने